Hello students, good morning everyone and welcome back to our geography class. Students, I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Student, today we are going to learn lesson number 22. Who fulfills our needs? So student, are you ready? Then open page number 127. So student, there are some basic needs of human beings and animals, and these basic needs are air, water, food, shelter, and clothing. Correct? We need air for breathing. Then we need water for many purposes. For example, cleaning, cooking, bathing, watering plants, etc. Then we need food. Without food, we cannot live. Then we need shelter to protect ourselves from cold, wind, rain, etc. So, students, air, water, food, shelter, these are called the basic needs of animals and human beings because they are very important and we cannot live without these things. So, students, human beings have many other needs beside these basic needs. For example, we need clothes to wear, then teachers to guide us, then doctor if we fall ill. So student, these are called different helpers. So student, here you can see in this picture some community helpers who fulfills our needs. For example, teacher, doctor, police officer, coach, grocer, firefighter, city worker, dentist, mail carrier, plumber, painter, and librarian. So these are called our helpers because they help us in many things. So students, there are some more helpers. For example, baker, barber, lawyer, then mechanic, then soldier, engineer. So student, all these helpers help us to fulfill our various needs. Okay students, and their work fulfills some of our needs as well as their own needs. So such work is called an occupation. What it is called? Occupation. So student, here you can see teacher, potter, then farmer, milkman, grocer, doctor. These are our community helper, and all these professions are called occupation because they help us to fulfill our needs. So students, did you understand who fulfill our needs? Very good. So students, in this lesson we will see more about them and we will see our other needs besides our basic needs. Okay student? So students, again we will revise what is an occupation. Air, water, food and shelter are the basic needs of every living thing. They are our basic needs as well, but human beings have many other needs beside these. For example, we need clothes to wear, teachers to guide us, and a doctor if we fall ill. Different people work to fulfill our various needs. Their work fulfill some of our needs as well as their own needs, and such work is called an occupation. So students, there are many types of occupation. So next we will see types of occupation. So types of occupations are divided into four main classes that we will see now. So students, there are various type of occupation and they can be divided into four main classes as follows. So student, first is nature based occupation. So examples are agriculture and fishing. So here you can see pictures. First one is agriculture. It is based on nature, and another is fishing. They are based on nature and that's why they are called nature based occupation. So student, farming and fishing both are very useful. Next one is manufacture. Manufacturing means what? Making different things in factory. For example, making automobiles, then making pots, making cloth. So different factories are in manufacturing department. Okay, so that is called manufacturing, to make something or different things. So here you can see potter, he is making pots. Next one is making cloth. In factories, we can make cloth and pots on large extent. Third is trade. So trade means selling farm produce and shopkeeping. Here you can see shopkeeper is there. So shopkeeping is a type of trade. We can sell something in our shop. Next one is providing services. So those given by a teacher, doctor and bank. This is called providing services. They provide services. Doctor, bank and teacher. So teacher provides us knowledge, correct? Then doctor provides us health service and bank provides us money, correct? So these services are provided by these peoples. So these are called providing services. So these are types of occupation. Next is the importance of agriculture. Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country gets food because farmers work in the field. Correct, student? So, students, our food includes items such as bhakri, then chapati, rice, dals, then different type of vegetables and salads. So these food we get from farming or agriculture. Okay student, so we should not waste our food. So student, these items are prepared from crops grown in the field. That farmer works hard in the field and that's why we get food. So that's why we should respect farmer. We should not waste our food. So student, these items are prepared from the crops given in the field. So here you can see crops are given, correct? Picture of crops. So there are different type of crops. For example, crops like jowar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables. They are grown in the field. Next is farming of fruits, flowers and medicinal plants is also carried out on a large scale. Because we need fruits, flowers and medicinal plants every day. This is our basic need. So student, these are the importance of agriculture. Did you understand students? Okay. So in next video we will see other types of occupations. Okay. So students, Watch this video carefully. Thank you.